If you're considering shopping at christyhassey.com for kitchenware, it's worth taking a closer look because while the site presents itself as a legitimate online store, there are several red flags you shouldn't ignore. At first glance, everything seems in order. The website has a clean, professional design, features a wide range of cooking and kitchen products, and even provides contact details like an email address and phone number along with a clear return and refund policy. But when we dug deeper, we discovered some concerning inconsistencies. The domain christyhassey.com was originally associated with real estate and only recently switched to selling kitchen items in 2025. That kind of drastic identity change with no clear explanation is often a warning sign, especially when there's no solid history of customer engagement to back it up. Even more troubling is the complete lack of reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, CityJabber, or even social media, which makes it hard to verify whether anyone has actually received products or had a successful transaction. While we can't definitively label it a scam, the sudden rebranding, lack of reputation, and silence across the internet should give any cautious shopper a reason to think twice before entering their credit card details. It's one of those sites that sits in a gray area, not outright fraudulent, but far from being confidently trustworthy either.